In this video, I'm going to do Welsh Faggots and Onion Gravy. Now, I'm sure that a lot of people get very excited about the term faggots. Long before it was a slur or a term of abuse, it was a recipe, an Old English word for a bundle of sticks used for firewood. And then it became attached to an economical dish made from cheap cuts of meat, pork liver, pork heart, minced pork. So you'll start by very finely chopping your bacon. You're going to mix that in with the liver and with the pork mince. So dice this very finely and take out any tubes or gristle, because they will be unpleasant to eat. Chop it as finely as you can. You can actually do this in the blender, but personally I think it mushes it up too much and it loses its texture. I like the authentic one with the pieces. A couple of tubes there that need to be taken out. They're not very pleasant to eat. Now, this has been speeded up because it's very repetitive for the next minute or two, and you don't want to be bored looking at this. So just a warning that you can't do this as quickly as this without getting a couple of stitches. This is speeded up to double speed. So put your chopped liver into a mixing bowl, add your pork mince, add your chopped bacon, add your stuffing, get your ingredients well mixed. Then start to add your seasonings. You've got thyme, you've got sage, you've got nutmeg, and then you will have salt and pepper. The ingredients are below the video. Now mix it again, make sure that your spices are well mixed in with the pork and the stuffing and the liver. So take your meat and form it into meatballs. Now the size is really depending on you. I like them pretty big, but you could probably get twice as many if you make them smaller. So wrap 3 pieces of bacon around each meatball. This is in place of cold suet, which is difficult to get unless you know somebody who's just killed a pig. which I don't at the moment. If I'd waited for a week or two, I probably could have got some, but you know what? This is nearly as good. So wrap each one, go crossways, cover as much of the meatball as possible. Now, when you have your meatballs wrapped, put them into a lightly oiled oven tray. I'm using a Pyrex dish in this case. Put them into a preheated oven, preheated to 180 degrees C or 350 F, depending on what part of the world you're in. Now you've made your gravy, pour it over the meatballs. Cook your gravy till it's good and thick. When the meatballs are cooking, they will lose moisture, which will thin the gravy, so you need to start with thick gravy. In Wales, they would say the gravy should be so thick you could stand the spoon straight up in it. Right, into the oven. Here's the finished product. You've got your mashed potato, use whatever veg you choose. Peas are very popular in Wales, but you can put carrots, you can put whatever you want. They smell fantastic. So, the taste test. Cook perfectly. Smell great. And they absolutely taste delicious, if I say so myself. So who else is going to praise me? So serve and enjoy. If you like the video, please click subscribe and go to butchermagazine.com for the blog post. Thank you.